Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so we need to open up our settings. Now scroll down into the bottom and click on System and Updates. Now find Backup and Restore. And here let's begin with the simple backup. And now let's click the external storage. Now you need to plug in the memory card or the USB storage. I have that kind of device. It's basically the USB storage with the memory card right in here. So I'm going to plug it in. To show you how this works, simply plug it into your device. Now let's wait a little bit. You can see that the USB storage now appeared. And now simply click on Backup. Now select all the items that you want to backup. Click on Backup, and now as you can see the backup has started. Always check what you have selected to backup. Yeah, so simply check what you want to backup twice. Make sure that you have selected everything that you want. Now click on Done, and now our backup is stored on this external storage drive. Okay, so now we can unplug it, and now I'm going to show you how to create a backup using the Google one. Alright, make sure that a backup to Google is enabled right in here, and you have below your backup account. And please don't forget that account and password to it, because in the future, if you want to restore that backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you are making the backup. So remember about it. Okay, so now click on Google account. You can also see the account on which you are making the backup right now on the screen. Enable backup by Google one right in here, and now click on Backup now. Now the process will start, and now under the backup you can see that this thin bar appeared, and when it comes to the opposite edge it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. So now all we need to do is to wait until it's finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, and now it's done. You might see on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backed, but basically when this bar disappears, it means that our backup is successfully saved. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.